Overnight I'm contemplating days wrong, worry about Nathan racing. I gotta be the next dude. Watch out, here I come, I never creep when I make a move. I'm bulldozing through lazy rappers, you snooze, you lose. I never watch my attitude, I always do what I wanna do. Me and my crew, we hate proof. We aiming straight for the skies. Don't even look into my eyes. My future might get you blinded. I'm grinding. They frightened that I might blow like eruption or grow into a titan. I'm tighter than the best and I put the rest to rest. I was thinking about the future in my history class. Now I'm back and I hope you can do better than that. I'm reigning supreme, your umbrella gon' get smashed. All I needed was the pen and paper to turn it into paper. I got the G-Funk, I'm the new regulator. I'm a smooth operator. I feel this flow on my taste buds. I'm just a youngin' from the hood trying to cake up. That means I'm up to no good, I'm about to take mines. My life is like a movie repeated 1,000,000 times. That's probably why I'm so wise. If art is a soul's reflection, then my soul art.
What? All right.
Unfair.
Okay.
My Jimbo's